Wireless cat water fountain, rechargeable, filter-free, 3L automatic pet water dispenser, perfect for cats and small dogs. Keep your pets hydrated and healthy, without the hassle. This rechargeable, cordless cat water fountain delivers fresh, clean water automatically, without the need for replacement filters or constant refills. Whether you have a cat, small dog, or both, this smart pet water dispenser makes daily hydration effortless, even while you're away. Paw Top features at a glance, glowing star automatic water refresh system. No more stagnant bowls. The fountain drains and refills at scheduled intervals, ensuring your pet always has fresh, clean water, no filters required. Droplet large 3L tank equals 9 days of hydration. The generous 3-liter capacity, 101 fluid ounces, provides enough water for up to 9 days, making it ideal for busy owners, traveling, or multi-pet households. Battery rechargeable and cordless 180-day battery life. Enjoy wireless freedom with a powerful lithium battery that lasts over 6 months per charge, USB Type-C. Place it anywhere, no outlets or messy cords needed. No speaking whisper quiet for sensitive pets. The ultra-quiet design keeps your space peaceful, great for nighttime use, apartments, or easily startled pets. Low water and full waste tanks trigger gentle alerts. High voltage safe by design, water and electricity separation. Designed with safety in mind, this pet fountain separates electrical components from water flow. Made from food-grade ABS plastic, it's 100% non-toxic and pet-safe. Soap detachable and easy to clean. All parts, including clean water and wastewater tanks, are easily removable for quick and hygienic cleaning. No tools or filters needed. Wastewater tank alerts you when it's full. Package what's included. 1X cat water fountain, 3L, 1X rechargeable battery, built-in, 1X Type-C charging cable, 1X user manual, English, dog face perfect for checkmark cats, puppies, and small dogs. Checkmark homes with multiple pets. Checkmark busy pet parents or frequent travelers. Checkmark noisy or cord-sensitive environments. Checkmark pet owners who want a filter-free, low-maintenance solution. Movie camera. In this video, we unbox the fountain, show you how to set it up, clean it, and explain how it keeps your pet's water fresh, even when you're not home. Thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful pet gear reviews and tips.